According to the Future of Jobs 2023 report published by World Economic Forum, roles like business intelligence experts, data scientists, and data analysts are not just in demand now, they are skyrocketing through the coming years. But wait, do you know what sets data analytics apart from data science? Today's video is your golden ticket to uncovering these mysteries. We are going to unravel the similarities, the unique flavors, and the differences between these dynamic fields. Also, we'll highlight the roles and career path for both fields. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to stay updated with advanced data science and business intelligence contents. Now, grab a cup of coffee, sit back and watch. Imagine a universe brimming with data. Data science is the art and science of transforming this vast and chaotic data world into meaningful insights. It's about finding patterns, making predictions, and unlocking the potential hidden in data. While data science is about extracting knowledge from complex data, data analytics focuses on processing and performing statistical analysis on existing dataset. You can think of it as the process of distilling actionable insights from raw data. Now, let's talk about the process behind those two fields. Data science is built on several key pillars. It starts with data collection and cleansing, ensuring quality and usability. Then, through feature engineering and exploratory data analysis, we uncover trends and patterns. The heart of data science relies on machine learning and predictive analysis, where we train models to forecast future trends and behaviors. On the other hand, data analytics begins with data collection and processing, followed by cleansing to remove inaccuracies. Then comes exploratory data analysis, where we identify patterns and anomalies. Finally, we create reports and dashboards to communicate findings through statistical approach. Data science deals with both structured and unstructured data. Structured data refers to well-organized and formatted data, usually stored in relational database, like an Excel sheet or SQL database. Unstructured data, on the other hand, lacks predefined structure and can include documents, texts, images, audios, and videos. Data analytics is focused on processing and analyzing structured data only. Now, let's look on the techniques for each of the fields. Data scientists use a wide range of techniques, including machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and statistical analysis to extract valuable information from diverse data sources. Data analytics techniques include data querying, transformation, reporting, and visualization. While some advanced analytics methods can be employed, the focus often on descriptive and diagnostic analytics rather than predictive and prescriptive analytics. Now, let's consider the roles of data scientists and data analytics. Data scientists are the architect of the process. They juggle various roles, from mathematicians to business strategists. They write algorithms, wrangle data, and ultimately, they uncover knowledge from data to guide decision making. To better understand this, let's consider this role in action. In healthcare, it predicts patients' outcomes. In business, it understands customer behaviors. Even in meteorology, it helps forecast weather. Data science is everywhere, shaping up our world. To be a data scientist, you need to develop deep understanding for machine learning algorithms. Also, you need to have advanced coding skills. Data scientists use a wide range of tools for various tasks. For example, programming language like Python and R, integrated development environment like Jupyter Notebooks and Google Colab for code execution, For data cleansing and exploration, they use Python libraries like pandas and R libraries like dplyr for data analysis and manipulation. And for visualization, they use Python libraries like plotly and seaborn. And most importantly, machine learning. There are so many libraries and tools can be used for machine learning. For example, scikit-learn for machine learning libraries for Python. Also for deep learning frameworks, they use TensorFlow and PyTorch. Now let's look into the role of data analysts. Data analysts are the storytellers of the data world. They turn complex data sets into understandable and actionable insights. Their work often involves creating visual representation like charts and graphs and communicate findings to stakeholders. Now let's consider this role in action. The application of data analysts are vast. In marketing, it helps understand customers. In finance, it's used for risk assessment. It's also pivotal in improving operational efficiencies in many industries by extracting insights from historical data. For the required skill set of this role, you need knowledge of database management, extract, transform, load or ETL tools, and data visualization tools. Some of the tools used by data analysts are business intelligence tools like Power BI and Tableau, data querying and analysis tools like SQL and Excel, also ETL tools like Informatica and Microsoft SQL Integration Services, SSIS. In summary, while both data science and data analytics involve extracting insights from data, data science has a broader scope and deal with both structured and unstructured data, employing advanced techniques to solve complex problems. Data analytics, on the other hand, is more focused on structured data and aims to provide insights for informed decision-making in a business context. Remember, whether you are diving on the vast ocean of data science or navigating the intricate streams of data analytics, both paths leads to a sea of opportunities in the world of data. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and projects walkthrough. Peace.